All right, good morning, everybody. I'm going to go through problems 9, exercises 9 and 10 from your workbook, found on page 60 and 61, respectively. This is question 9. I'll read it first and then I'll set it up. It says, running at 2 meters per second, Bruce, the 45-kilogram quarterback, collides with Biff, the 90-kilogram tackle, who is traveling at 7 meters per second in the other direction. Upon collision, Biff continues to travel forward at 1, and how fast is Bruce knocked backwards? They are not stuck together. So our equation, I'm going to do mass, I'm going to do the quarterback, velocity of the quarterback, plus mass of the tackle. It's Bruce and Biff, but they both have a B, so I'm changing their subscripts for you. And then I've got over here, after this is the tackle right here, the equal sign. Mass of quarterback, just rewrite it. So this is after, and this is before. So then it's kind of just a matter of putting stuff in and making sure that you note stuff correctly. So we have a 45-kilogram quarterback moving at 2 meters per second. So let's just say this direction is positive, this direction is negative, because it does say moving in the opposite direction. So you add that to the 90-kilogram tackle moving at 7 meters per second in the other direction. So I'm going to make a negative sign right there. Okay? Then the tackle happens, and they want to know how fast does the quarterback get knocked backwards. That's my X. So here I have my 90-kilogram tackle, and it says he continues to move forward at 1 meter per second. So it's still the negative direction, but at 1 meter per second. Now it's just algebra. Okay? So we've got 90 plus negative 630 equals 45x plus negative 90. Okay? So over here, these combine to make negative 540. I have to add 90 here, and I get negative 450 equals 45x, or you can quickly see 45 divided by 45, and x is negative 10 meters per second. So again, the negative direction means to the left, so the quarterback gets knocked backwards at a speed of 10 meters per second. Okay? Second question. Number 10 on page 61. I'll read it and then I'll set it up. It says, Anthony and Sissy are participating in a roller skating dance championship. While the 75-kilogram Anthony roller skates backward at 3 meters per second, the 60-kilogram Sissy jumps into his arms with a velocity of 5 meters per second in the same direction. How fast does the pair roll backwards together? So I'm going to set it up. I'm going to have I'm going to use subscripts A and S for Anthony and Sissy. So mass of Anthony, velocity of Anthony, plus mass of Sissy, velocity of Sissy. This is an inelastic. It's sticking because she jumps into his arms. So I'm going to do a combined mass of Anthony and Sissy times the new velocity of Anthony and Sissy. And that's what they want us to find, this velocity. So I'll put in what they give us. Anthony was 75 kilograms, moving at 3 meters per second in the same direction that Sissy was going. So we could say to the left, we could, it doesn't matter, but we'll just keep them both positive. 60 Sissy was 60 kilograms, moving at 5 in his direction, so they both have the same sign. Combined mass would be, what, 135 times x. And that's what we're trying to find. So let's crunch some numbers over here. 75 times 3 is 225. This is 300. Equals 135x. This makes 525. Equals 135x. Divide by 135. And x, or the new speed of Anthony with Sissy in his arms, would be 3.9 meters per second. So again, a sticking one, inelastic. So remember just one, I don't know if I've pointed this out too much, but the masses, you simply add them. Some people take this as being, this is plus, by the way. Some people take this as, oh, I'm going to take their speed from here plus their speed from here and get 8. That's not what that means. This means the new velocity with the new mass. Okay, the masses, you simply add them, but the velocities, typically it's the new speed. It's not simply the sum of their two speeds before. As you can see, we get 3.9 and the other speed would have been 8. So that's not what that means. Okay, hope you understand those two. Those are 2 questions from your workbook assignment that you're working on today, whether you're watching this before or after. Hopefully that makes some sense. And that's all I got. Enjoy your break, and I look forward to seeing you when we get back.